Hey y'all, I'm Kat and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm about to get my hair done. I'm tired of being depressed. I'm tired of grieving. It's time for me to get back to me and find out what that is, because I'm not the same person anymore. However, I'm about to put this color in my hair and it is called Intensive Red. Well, my daughter's about to put this color in my hair. It's called Intensive Red. This is the before. As y'all can see, I've never let my hair go like this ever. So we're about to fix it. So I'm gonna take y'all through this process. So keep on watching. I look like showing us little sister, but not for long. Okay, bye y'all.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree. Feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down to go, down to go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, 'cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
Alright, y'all. We gotta let the color oxidize, get it shampooed out, and I'm gonna show y'all a new, it's not new to me, but I'm not sure if y'all are familiar with it, but it's easy for me to keep my hair straight. So I'm gonna show y'all a new hair tool that I bought from Amazon. Back in the day when I bought it, it was $100, but now it's only $34 on Amazon. So I'm gonna show y'all that when we get to that step. So I'm just checking in with y'all, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Using this Olaplex conditioner. What they be saying about the chicken salad?
Yeah, get you one of these.
Oh, what is that? Conditioner? Y'all better get y'all one of these. I promise though, all jokes aside, this is worth every penny. Every penny, and you don't even need to use a lot.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I could. Like I could. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, but don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off, this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these songs since 48 key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, shit 3D printed. I be doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses, so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji, I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I align with your soul.
I don't care what you say, 'cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 I'ma do it like that.
Okay, y'all, I've been battling myself if I should just be very transparent, but I'm like, it is what it is. So I have some new subscribers to my channel. So if y'all wondering why I keep saying grieving and depression, if y'all notice, if you've been following me for a minute, you see that I took a long break from YouTube. And that's because it's different stages to grieving. And I lost both my parents, my dad in February and my mom on Christmas Day a few years ago. And it's been hard and an adjustment for me to get used to. But finally, I'm like, you know what? I need to, whatever is going on with me, I'm sure they wouldn't want me to be like this. I've been in the house for a long time. I haven't been getting my hair done, haven't been getting my nails done, haven't been into fashion, but I do cook and do home projects just to keep me occupied. So if you watch my cooking videos, that's my therapy. So that's why it's like mostly music and I really don't talk, because I want y'all to learn how to cook new recipes or even show y'all how I cook. But that's therapy for me, so I do record it. My mom always said, you're very talented. Why are you always hiding your talent? So even me starting a YouTube channel is new for me because I'm really not a talker unless I know you. So I just thought I'd be open and transparent with y'all. If you was wondering why I keep saying I'm grieving or I've been going through depression. So like I said, I haven't had my hair done since probably November or something, I don't know. But I'm just tired of living my life like this. Grieving comes in waves. It could be a smell, it could be a sound. But I ask that y'all be patient with me if I take a little break. Every now and then, because it's hard. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that act like everything is perfect all the time, because it's not. So if you've lost a loved one and you are grieving, take as much time as you need. Don't force it. Don't rush it. It's hard to explain to people how you're feeling, but just know you're not crazy. And it is what it is. There is no rule book or no book to tell you how to grieve. So I just thought I would be honest with y'all while I'm letting this conditioner sit on my head. And yeah, so that's my transparent moment. And I hope y'all understand when I do take a break, it's either due to my back, because if you don't know that scenario, I was in a car accident and let me slow down. I was in a car accident and we were hit by a drunk driver in my daughter's car that was doing my hair. So when I say my back, I have to go slow. Like if I go to the grocery store, I know I won't be able to do something for a couple of days. So I just thought I'd tell y'all a little bit more about myself, and maybe I can be more relatable, because like I said, life ain't always sweet. And you'll see, hopefully you won't see me like this that often, but I try to get on YouTube in case somebody's having a bad day, because I know I'm funny for real. But in case somebody's having a bad day, I just want to share something with you or give you some type of ideas about the things that I do and let you know that you're not going through things by yourself. I just make these videos as a form of therapy. And if nothing else, my family will have my videos to always look back on later on in life. I'm just going to say that. So yeah, I'm letting this conditioner sit. My daughter had to make a run real quick. And like I said, I showed y'all in a previous haul that my babe bought me the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. And it works really, really good. If you could get the whole system, do so. But it's kind of pricey. So if not, just get the number 4 and the number 5. But the number 3, you're supposed to put it on before you shampoo your hair. I'll have that one too. But these are very good. If your hair feels like rough, damaged, or whatever the case may be, then you get these. I got them from Sephora, and I think Ulta sells them as well. So yeah, thank y'all for listening. I'm gonna let this conditioner sit on my hair for a little while, and then when my daughter comes back, oh, let me share something with y'all. This is called the Installer. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and when my daughter gets ready to use it, I'll show you how it works. Some of y'all might already know how it works because it's been out for a long time, but it was really pricey back in the day. But it comes with this comb. It comes with this bag to put it in. And it looks like this, and when you put your hair in it, this part rolls and it'll straighten your hair. I think I could do my whole head, straighten my whole head in 20 minutes if I part it off in 4 sections. And it does have settings. It has 3 settings on it. And this is the best thing for my type of hair, my length of hair, because it's hard to get my hair straight through with one pass. And I know they had a new curling iron out. It's white. I don't know the name of it, but it costs like $100 or something. Eventually, I know years from now, that price will go down too. But once upon a time, this was $100, but you can get it on Amazon for $30. I think I paid $35 for it, and I will link it in the description box below. So let me keep on conditioning, and I'll talk to you all in a minute. Oh,
Tell him he's ours.
They don't know nothing about this shit.
Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar, swept off in a moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far, and you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. 'Cause there's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. 'Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. 'Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. 'Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I
stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love, know it's all love. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold.
All right, y'all, it's all wrapped up, and I will show y'all the finished juju tomorrow when I put some clothes on for date night. Okay, my son is taking me out of retirement. I'm about to give him some dreads. So this is the before, and I will show y'all the after. I just thought I'd come back with an update. This is what it looks like so far. I still got it. I still got it. You see his scalp is red, so they tight. Okay, y'all. I'll check in later. And this is the finished results of the starter dreads. Hold your head down. It's faded out in the back or tapered. Hairline. Lift your face up. And that's my son.
But you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. And let yourself unfold.